Hello everyone. Thank you so much for participating my 7 days health challenge. I'm sure you are enjoying and I love to see all your responses that you are giving. So finally we are in day 6, right? So we are about to finish our 7 days challenge. So today's challenge is very simple but very beautiful. You need to write three best thing about you, your positive thing about you, and three thing that makes a smile on your face. Anything that brings smile on your face. So like anything that you really love doing, that you need to write, and three thing that is the best thing about you. And second activity is like, as yesterday we had done a lot of movement, like if you have done yoga exercise, everything is you have given your pictures, but today we will going to do one dance party, right, over the Zoom. So I'm inviting you all for a dance party. Time I'll just message you in the WhatsApp, but we'll do lot of dance today. It's okay, so that we can move more. And dance is a beautiful activity to make you smile, to make you active, to make you beautiful. So hope you all will come in my dance party, right? All the best.